Aspersing and spreading misinformation had become one of the essential parts on human life. It has troubled the lives of the people globally. Used in inappropriate manner, misusing social media platforms could lead a person behind bars. One such incident had surfaced from Samilangso when a picture of Sergeant Ingti, INC candidate for Korkanti constituency at the recently concluded MSC election, with his wife was shared and given defamatory remarks on a Whatsapp group. The Republic Post by a man identified as Sukur Singh Rongpi was detained by the police on Friday. This incident had come to light when Sergeant Ingti with his wife registered an FIR against a man who had shared their picture on WhatsApp group The Republic Post for aspersing and spreading misinformation about them. Sukur Singh Rongpi joined the Saffron Party prior to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council general election. He was an ex-president of KMCC. He was detained by the police on Friday after giving rigorous remarks on a picture he shared on 7 July in a WhatsApp group called The Republic Post. Sukur Singh Rongpi confessed his deeds and therefore apologized for the mistakes he had committed. He also appeals everyone to not repeat the same.
Hala ex-Menteri Sara Phan Pen hala asupo sarjeng atuma phana bang kopene ake post ke tok bang ni bang chok chedelo la se hala komen ang ki pidun tum Dilip Singh milik ne pine ho dak akura vedet la pen hala Daniel Hanjang pur la bang alang di tamil la so WhatsApp group long do la The Republic Post wa WhatsApp group long la sinang ni tum comments sitami juno dak lo la si hala bang so comments nang ni tum chivitro debji phansi nilihin penang tum phan nang chuning rig lo athi juno dak lo nili ke post bang ta chok chete lo amasi nilistami lamki phonang kok lo la si nang ni tum ta la bang so lam ki pen chipa yogi phan no na mat nang ni tum ta chivitro der no la si kadu ka ve stami pen la comment ke pitum ke thek rom an la Republic Post ko WhatsApp group long admin ke do an atuma phan stami nilihin pen chuning rig lo labang so a comments pen labang so photo bang kapre ka WhatsApp along ke lo derji ba Facebook long ke lo derji social media long ke lo derji phan nang ni tuma phan nilihin pen chuning rig lo.
After vowing to not repeat this mistake, he pled for mercy. Sergeant Ingti, considering his plea, accepted his apology and therefore withdrew his FIR against Sukur Singh Ingti.
Tum ex-Menteri Sar asupo Sergeant bang case pidel lo labang so case bang phanili compromise bang nang kok lo nono mat ke nili tum compromise bom lang tangte lang chingwai bom lang na se nili bang chuning ri lo mane labatai si bang ke nang dia ya no pusipulo ala selang ni tum nang dia un jini un ene la bang ke tamne jate jen monon phi bang ke lahai bang ke nili ta chuklem te lo pen pado bang phus tami chuklem ke dasya ke mi la bang ke pen munthi pakasi ke klem se ke mi la lo nili men ke Sukur Singh Rongpi.
Samsing Ingti's report from Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong Live.